Hello everyone, I'm Sashipriya here, trainer and product specialist in Waxes. Today I'm here to help you with some important tips to ace a writing test in IELTS. So let's get started. So the first step here is you are expected to write neatly. So let us understand what do you mean by neatly here. So here writing neatly, let us begin with the handwriting. So this handwriting plays a key role in understanding the explanation that you have given either for task 1 or task 2. And yes, you're not expected to write in an impressive way, but you're expected to write in a legible way. And second thing here is you will have to write the explanation that is required for either of the tasks, be it task 1 or task 2. You need to write it in an appropriate paragraphing. And here we are expected to write with pencil if you have opted for paper-based test, so that it will be easy for us to correct the mistakes that we do during the test. Moving forward, the next point here is do not write too much. So here for every task we are given with minimum word limits. And being said this, we don't have to write a lengthy response, which is more than required for task 1 or task 2. So for task 1, the minimum word count is 150. The maximum is 200. So you can target to write 175 to 185 words at least, being 200 being the best number. Being said this, for task 2, the word count is 250 to 300 words. So aim to write 275 words at the least and 300 to be the best. And do not stress yourself to write more than the required criteria given to us. The next important thing, once you start writing the responses, we need to be very careful that we are not going to copy the given question. Rather, you need to paraphrase the question. So paraphrasing is nothing but you need to rewrite the given topic sentence by using the synonyms to all the keywords given in that, or by flipping the order of the sentences without changing the meaning of the statement or the sentence. So we need to practice this paraphrasing skill by using different sentences so that we can easily do the paraphrasing for either of the tasks in writing part. Try to not memorize any themes or templates or formulas here. Try to understand the flow and development of the response if it is for a letter or for an essay, because the examiner will be able to easily identify if you have memorized any phrases or if you're writing any memorized phrases. Also, they will be able to identify the templates that you are using here, as not every template fits into the context. So you will be easily caught. So do not learn or by heart any templates, rather understand the logical development of the information, be it essay or letter. Always try to use formal English, especially in the letter writing. Though it is an informal letter, you are expected to use only the formal or professional English related words here. So do not use any slangs or any regional language related words, and try to be careful with the grammatical structures and the wide range of vocabulary that you need to use here. Also, we are expected to use either complex or compound sentences rather than the simple sentences, so that it will be easy for us to develop the cohesion. Thank you. Good luck.